Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're happy. Y'all, why is she doing this? Like, why? And I was just calm and she was okay, y'all. So apparently Travis was at the door and his phone died, so he couldn't text me to let me know that I needed to open the door. So that's who was at the door, and Jasmine was barking because yeah, it was him at the door. I actually thought it was somebody from the leasing office, and I was about to, let them know a couple words or two, but back to the video. Okay, y'all, so hold on. So in this video, we're pretty much closing out and I'm updating my budget with you all. So this right here was the last thing that you all saw. Well, I can do it this way. This was the last thing that you all saw. That was the last thing that I had got. And I said I had $50 left. So I went back and looked at the budget that I had written out and noticed that it wasn't right. So I rewrote it to make it make sense because this is not it. So when it comes to the overall budget, of course, after paying offering, all of that good stuff, when it comes to the paycheck, there was $1,377. I forgot that I had added $50 that I had sitting in my Ally account. Plus, I sent some money to Ally from Chime, which was $5.21, which made a total of $1,432.21. So all of the bills are the same. So Cricket 59, YouTube 4, AT&T 35, NES 50, State Farm 129, Term Life $30, mortgage rent $600, Netflix $4, and all of that together did equal $911 with $521.21 left. So if we go over to debt, which I only end up paying $250 for the car payment. Now when it comes to Navy Federal, there isn't a way to pay principal only. So what end up happening is you would make your normal payment, and once you meet your normal payment and all of that, anything extra automatically goes towards principal. That's why I don't save the money and then pay principal extra. I just pay it all together. So after that, after the $250, we ended up with $271. And this is what the rest of the budget looks like. So interest, that does not say interest, it says invest. So invest, I did send $16 over to Allie for Blessed Budget by Abigail. I did send her challenge to $10. Now at first I did send it $5, but since I sent the $5 over, I put that in this challenge as well. I haven't colored in anything, which I need to do. Well, I need to color in another one. And then for Chris TGIF challenge, I did set $7 aside. Navy Federal got $5, and I did put 21 cents into my interest bucket. I also ended up having $17 left, and it's still there. I haven't did anything with it just yet. Also, I totally forgot about the automatic $50 payment to SoFi. So altogether, I ended up saving $105.21. This is so pretty. Did I say $521? I ended up saving $105.21, and I ended up with $166. Y'all, look at this. It's just so beautiful. I ended up setting aside $166 for variable expenses. Now, according to my tracker, Everything was good with tracking and color coding and all of that. Remember, I thought I had $50 left, but I ended up with $33 left. I ended up with $23 in cash and the rest in Ally. But yesterday, since they're talking about bad weather and all of that, I did go to the store. I spent $97.07, which means that I'm over $64.07, which is okay. Remember, I said I wanted to have an envelope for just extra food. So I believe, which I don't know what my paycheck is going to be, but I believe I will be able to cover this amount. I think I want to start out with $100 for extra food, and I'll just take the difference and pay Care Credit back. I'll also be able to pay Care Credit their $87. Also, if I'm not mistaken, I believe that when I sent the cell phone back for $480.67, I am in the process of getting my refund, and it is pending. So once everything is posted properly, I'll go ahead and get all of that paid for, and everything will be back to normal. Remember, I did say in one of my previous videos that I'm just going to take care of everything and go from there. Once everything posts properly, we'll get everything taken care of. But this is what I wanted to show you. This is how I'm closing out my budget, even though I had to rewrite it to make it make sense, because I don't know what the other budget was doing. So this was the other budget, and I figured something was off, so I had to rewrite it. But this is it. This is the budget. I'm going to go ahead and eat lunch, and we'll see how this next budget goes. I believe everything will work out perfectly fine. I think I'm getting a bonus from work, which is, you know, pretty normal for my job. And I did work, I don't know how many hours of overtime, but I believe I worked at least 100 hours. So that will be 20 hours of overtime, if I'm not mistaken. So I should be able to get everything paid off. And like I said, everything will be back to normal. Okay, y'all. So I totally forgot about coloring in my hearts for February. So when I put that extra $5 in, along with the $5 from the first part of the paycheck before I redid the budget, I have a total of 40 bucks saved so far. So almost there. I just need 10 more dollars, and when I get paid again, I will get this challenge completed for the month of February. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 bucks so far. And then at the end of this one, we will have $50 saved so far. Y'all, it's a lot that you can do with 50 bucks. And I know some of you all may not think 50 bucks is a lot, but it is a lot. We don't have any birthdays for the month of February, but for the month of March, we have Tanya's birthday. So we definitely want to wish her a happy birthday. And here's everyone that's participating in this collab. We have Abigail herself, aka Barb, aka Barbie. We have Gracie over at Grammy's Journey, myself, I Desire Wealth, Tanya over at Nightlife, Budget for Success. We have Miss Onyx, and then we have Hop Into Budget with Bunny, so Miss Bunny, and then we have Liz World 733, and then we have Hippies, Puppies, and Kittens, and Trina. Congrats on your subscribers. If you haven't checked out her channel, definitely go check it out. She's always doing multiple saving challenges. She also mentioned, which this is funny, not to take serious. She said in one of her giveaways that she may end up giving away a puppy. LOL. No, that's not real. And then we have Christy over at CW Does Life 8715 collaborating in this video. Also, y'all, I have Happy Mail. Hold on, let me grab it. Okay, y'all, so finally, Happy Mail from Gina Renee RM Budgets. And if you checked out her channel, she did have a giveaway. So this is from her daughter, well, one of them, Alexis Arlette. And here are the handles for the coloring book. She do design coloring books, and she do a lot of other things as well. So here is her logo at the bottom. Gina, thank you, thank you, thank you so much for this. And here's all of her information. So what I'm going to do is pause this so I can unwrap it. Okay, I'm back. So what I'm going to do, instead of me holding it like this, I'm going to, well, that looks perfectly fine. I'm either going to hold it like this or kind of like this. That way you all can see everything. So this is the front of it. This is also volume 2. Let's see what's in here. So, y'all, Gina, tell your daughter she did that. So we have Damien and Kayla, and this is what the full picture looked like. Of course, there are a lot. And look y'all, who is this? We have Gina, Kevin, and Memphi. Ain't that a gorgeous picture? I can't wait to get some coloring pencils. I don't know what would be better with this, whether it will be those coloring pencils or if I should get some other kind. But until I do, I'm going to put this up because I don't want it to get hurt. And by getting hurt, I mean I don't want Jasmine to be like, oh, look, a book, let me tear this up, or something like that. So if we go back, so we saw this one, then we have this one, ooh, ooh. So I'm already thinking of colors right here. So green for the leaves and whatnot. And her outfit is cute. We have Terrence and Sierra. Ooh, I like her hair. And of course, we already saw Gina. We have Tony and Tanya. Devin and Imani. I'm assuming that's her name. And I wonder what kind of shoes she have on, because those are hot. Keith and Christina. Chastity and Marcus. I already messed up her name. Keon and Alana, or Elena. Rick and Janessa. And then we have Devin and Monica. Okay, he buff. I see both of y'all wearing those Nikes. We have Zion and Tessa. Vince and Taylor. Mary and James. Yara and Kareem. Jason and Cherish. Charles and Maya. And this is the end of the book. Of course, this is the back of the book. It just says the second volume in the Color Me Adult Coloring Book series celebrating Black fashion. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. So I can't wait to find the perfect crayons or coloring pencils to color this, and I can't really color well, but we're gonna see how it goes. So when I color my first page, I will post it in one of my videos, and that's it. I'm going to add this to my current video and get it edited and uploaded. I hope you all have a great day. Again, bye.